Hey guys, Ben here from PaxPower Performance Trucks in Houston, Texas. And in a lot of our recent videos, we've been talking about how we supercharge more half-ton GM trucks and SUVs than anyone. We've done several hundreds of those, it seems like, over the past 5 or 6 years. And about a year ago, Chevy gave us a new cool engine to supercharge in the 2500 HD. And really, it does a lot of cool things. When you're choosing an HD, you got two engine options, the diesel or this new 6.6 gas. And with the diesel, you're gonna be paying $10,000 more. You're gonna get a truck that weighs 1,500 pounds more, all on the front axle, so they tend to drive pretty bad. And if you don't need to tow 15 to 20,000 pounds, there's really not a need for you to have that big Duramax engine. So if those things don't apply to you and you still want a 2500 HD, this is the truck you should be considering. The 6.6 liter is great. It's a Chevy small block that's been around forever, but it doesn't have the issues that you have in the half tons. There's no displacement on demand. There's no stop start, things like that. It's a really cool engine with one problem. It's slow. It is really slow in these big trucks, and when we read online, we know that's what a lot of you guys complain about. So to fix that, we do the supercharger, and that's just what we did on this 2025 ZR2 with the 6.6 here. We installed our 3-liter supercharger with about 7 pounds of boost. These kits work great for us and gonna raise the horsepower from 410 factory to about 650 when we're done. And the torque number on these with its displacement is massive, upwards of 700 foot-pounds of torque. We're able to get really good reliability out of these, good drivability out of these. These make really good daily drivers. And if I was gonna daily drive a 2500, I would want a 6.6 with a blower. It's a really, really good setup. Now for these 2500 HDs, we have several upgrades, such as our Jackal HD package that's, suspension, fender flares, wheels, tires, exhaust. This customer didn't do any of those. But one thing that he did do, and that we think is a really cool upgrade, is this SSBC 6-piston big brake kit. This thing is awesome. He did the front and the rear. And for this big, heavy truck with now a lot of power, stopping it quickly is a good idea. And I can tell you this thing stops real quick and it'll kind of lock up the tires whenever you want. So if you've got one of these, or maybe you're in the market for one, the first thing with a PaxPower build is always the same. Give us a call. We'd love to hear from you.